Hello guys, this is Aniruddha Pathak and this is Book Fair Review powered by litramuse.in. So today we have Abhaya by Sai Swarupa Iyer, and talking about the book, let's get to the cover directly. Coming on the next screen, the cover of the book Abhaya. As you can see the cover covers all the mythological aspect written in the story, and the figure standing on the cover that represents Abhaya, which is exactly like the character in this novel. And also the peacock feather on the title of Abhaya illustrates the role of Krishna in the story. So this cover deserves a 5 on 5 from my side. Coming to the book, you can read the blurb in the description box below. Now the story. The story is set in ancient India, where Abhaya starts with Lord Bhoma, the king of Kamarupa, saving Dhatri from the enraged crowd with the help of his commander Mura, and they fail to save Dhatri's love Amarnatha. Dhatri is then introduced to Shakta practices and eventually declared as the Mahayogini of the Shaktas. Meanwhile, the story heads ahead with the birth of the hero of the story, Abhaya, the daughter of Dharmasena, and the princess of the province of Anaga. On the day of Abhaya's birth, Kadambari, the sister of the Naga chief Varahaka, hands over her son to Dharmasena and sets off towards the south due to some unbearable circumstances. The character of Abhaya then evolves, tackling the difficulties that come her way, where Krishna, the absolute warrior, accompanies her ahead in the story. To know what exactly all of these characters are related, you need to read the book. Talking about the plot and narration of the story, the plot is well researched and is nicely neated. And the narration has a good flow and the dialogues make a powerful impact onto a reader. If talking about the things that I liked, I would give a huge thumbs up to the way the battle scenes are depicted. Coming to the storytelling and the characters of the story, which is the vital part of a book, the readers can easily visualize the scenarios written as those are vividly described without breaking the flow of storytelling. The characters are very well put, and the interaction between or among the characters hold a charismatic effect on the unfolding of the story. Few of the scenes are witty enough to make you laugh. Actually, I laughed at some of those, a plus point for that, as that adds a glare to the story. In spite of trying a genre that needs a lot of work, the author has managed to give a power packed story to the readers. Twists and turns are guaranteed. Talking about the things that could have been improved, the chapters could have been placed in a little different manner. The reason I tell you, there are many chapters in the story, and when the chapter is left at cliffhanger, it becomes a little difficult to recall the exact chapter that one read earlier. I had to shuffle through the pages to link the chapter that I was reading. Also, there are some grammatical errors which could be looked upon. The pace of the story is affected in the middle of the book, probably due to the slow pace of the story. Also, the plot turns quite predictable as we near to the end. Apart from that, kudos to the author for writing a well-researched story telling the tale of the heroic and inspirational Abhaya. If I have to rate the book, I will rate it a 3.5 on a 5, and the book is a recommended read, is a good read, and it's plausible, so you can just go and buy from the link given in the description. So this book is a recommended read. You could just go to the link in the description given below and buy the book right away. And this is Aniruddha Pathak. You were watching Book Fair Review Abhaya by Sai Swarupa Iyer. We will meet up in the next review. Till then, you could just subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. A goodbye, peace.